Hey, what's going on, family? I have an amazing home I want to share with you. And this community that it's located in is in Huntersville. It's literally right on the border between Charlotte and Huntersville. And what does that mean for you? That means you have easy access to everything Huntersville have, which Birkdale Village is about 10 to 12 minutes away. Now, if you're not familiar with Birkdale, I will link to that video giving you a tour around Birkdale Village. It is the place to go to in Huntersville right now, but you also have easy access to Charlotte. You have the Riverbend District, which is about 10 to 12 minutes going west from this location. Now, this home we're gonna go into is a Hampshire floor plan. Now, this Hampshire is over 3,000 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home. And as you see, it has a 2-car garage. Let's go inside. Inside, you have a dedicated formal dining area, which is rare nowadays. Now, I have seen people turn that into like a study, but it comes as a formal dining area. You have a foyer, you have a coat closet over there, then you just have this open living space. Now, I want to share with everyone that's looking at new construction. Now, when you go inside and look at new construction homes, the sales reps are going to be absolutely amazing. But please know they represent the builder. You need someone looking out for you. That's where me and my team come into play. I'm licensed in both North and South Carolina, and they build this floor plan throughout both North and South Carolina. Right now, we're looking at one in Huntersville, North Carolina. That's another look at the dining room. You have a huge pantry, you have the butler pantry. Look at these finishes. But back to when you're looking at new construction, you want to make sure that you're represented. You're not going to get a discount by not having an agent. You need somebody looking out for you that knows the ins and outs of new construction. My number is on the screen. I am your real estate advisor, non-practicing attorney, so I am well versed in contracts and new builds. I am a new home construction specialist, to where we keep everybody accountable, from the construction manager to the trades, to the sales reps. You need somebody looking out for what you don't know. And again, it's not going to cost you a thing, because they will cover the buyer's agent. Now, you saw that full bathroom. This is the first bedroom. You do have that drop zone when you come in as well. Now let's head upstairs. Again, this is a 4-bedroom with a huge loft, a formal dining room, a butler pantry, a huge walk-in pantry, and this amazing loft up here. Now take a look at the size of bedroom number 2. Now, in this community, this floor plan starts in the high 4s. Now, depending on when you watch this or when you reach out, there's going to be different incentives that's going to either cover closing costs and or be able to buy down the rate to where you get a special interest rate, to where you're not paying the standard 6.3, 6.4 that it is right now. This is the general bathroom upstairs. You see the Calcutta quartz countertop that they transitioned from the kitchen. It is also in the bathrooms. We just left bedroom number 3. You have this huge laundry room. I have a client in this community, and yes, we bought, it came with refrigerator, washer, and dryer. Now again, those aren't always included, but that's why representation matters. This is your huge primary suite, and inside this primary suite, you have a sitting room. I've seen people make this area into an office or a second living room in your bedroom. And then there's this huge closet. This closet is bigger than my room growing up. Now, I'm the oldest of 7. My room wasn't that big, but this closet is bigger than my room I had growing up. Now we're about to go into the primary bathroom, which is spacious as well. Be sure to reach out to me. I would love to help you find that perfect home for you and your family, for wherever you are in life. I have somebody that is buying new that is upgrading. I also have people that are buying new that are downgrading. downsizing. Reach out, we can find that home that is perfect for you and your family and your situation. And as you see, in this Tradition series by D.R. Horton, you had a garden tub and a separate shower. That is not always the case in a lot of new construction communities. So you tell me what you like and we will find the builder and community that checks off all of the boxes. I am Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor. I look forward to talking to you and helping you relocate within the greater Charlotte area, both North and South Carolina. Talk soon.